Hello, welcome everyone. In this question it says dry cleaning throw 22 kg bag of laundry onto stationary means zero velocity, 9 kg chart. The chart and laundry bag moving 3 meters per second to the right, so it is the positive. Find the velocity of the laundry bag before collision. So formula is m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial. That's equal v final times m1 plus m2. So m1 is the 22 kg mass of the laundry bag, and it is what is the initial velocity? It says find the velocity of the laundry bag before collision. So it's asking v1 initial plus m2 is the 9 kg, but it says it is stationary, so its velocity 0. Final velocity of them 3 meters per second to the right, so it is 3 times m1 is the 22 plus m2 is the 9. So 22 times v1 initial equal 3 times 22 plus 9. So if we divide by both sides 22 and 22, v1 initial will be equal 4.2 meter per second to the right, because the result is positive. Thanks for listening.